Alright, welcome back to the shop, students and teachers. We've got another second episode of Work Smart Not Hard, making life easier in the metal shop, in this case. So in the metal shop I use a lot of A10 Cool Lube right now. When this pail is empty, I'm going to try Qualichem 255. But let's use this up. 10 parts water to 1 part of the coolant here. Like to let the kids do it, let them learn about proportions and stuff, but problem is, I'd like to see a grade, most grade 8s can't even lift this pail, let alone pour it properly without spilling stuff. So, how do you solve that problem? Well, it's not that hard. So, got a bucket, got our beaker that we're going to measure and that I borrowed from the chemistry teacher. Going to lay my pail on its side, okay? And then, make sure the spout's over the edge of the table. Take the lid off, drop it on the floor, because that's what everybody does. And we just rotate the pail until coolant comes out. If it's coming out too fast, we roll it back. If we want a little bit faster, roll it forward. Any kid can do this. We want 300 milliliters right there. Catch the last little bit of dribble, flip it up, lid on so I don't lose all this. And there you go. 300 milliliters, ready to go. Not a drop spilled. Except for that one, but you didn't see that. Anyway, hopefully this helps you out and makes things a bit easier for you and your students. So, until next time, if there is a next time, see you later.